I think the students can do a lot of interesting work in these great facilities, and also the students are really bright and they can collaborate together for interesting research project.
GCIT welcomed Professor Hyunjin Kang from Nanyang Technological University, Singapore, for a special lecture on human agency versus AI agency, user privacy management on algorithmic social media. Professor Kang opened the talk with familiar examples from TikTok and Instagram, explaining how today's platforms rely heavily on algorithmic systems that shape what users see, sometimes a little too precisely. She highlighted the tension between AI agency and human agency, noting how recommendation systems can limit users' sense of control and understanding. Professor Kang also visited GCIT's new media studio, observing hands-on graduate education in digital communication, audio-visual storytelling, and new technology. She praised the creative environment that supports student learning.